hello, here we are at Shanghai Toy Expo. I'm here with Morty, and it was very nice to meet you, Morty.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, so Morty, could you tell me and introduce your company for me?
Yes. My company name is Shantou Toys. It's founded in 2010.
Okay.
For now, it's over 15 years.
You have it.
We are doing like manufacturing, trading, and we also doing the OEM design.
So you have like 15 years experience of like exporting to different markets. And so what are the markets that you export to? Where in the world do your products go?
Yes, we are going to South America, Middle East, and Korea.
Wow, okay. And I also know that you export to Europe as well. You have very popular products in Germany, I think?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we do. We do have new products this year and very popular in Germany.
Very excited to talk about it, but first, the biggest priority is always the safety of the products and the certifications.
Yes.
So can you tell me about the certifications that you have for your factory?
Basically, all the products meet the requirements for the target market certification, like EN41, 71, ASTM, FCC, something like that.
Oh,
yes.
okay. First, we got to talk about what's the newest and most best-selling product that you want to introduce today.
Today, I want to introduce the AL-2040.
Okay.
It's this one.
Wow.
It's a bubble stick with a flower design. Like you just push the button and the flower will be open, bubbles will go up.
Out they go.
Yes.
And it has a very, it seems like a very sturdy and durable plastic. It's a very ABS plastic, I think?
Yes, exactly. All the product made by ABS.
Wow. Okay, and it's very eco-friendly, and also the bubble water is obviously non-toxic for the children
Yes,
as well.
you know the Germany requirement is very strict.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is very important as well. So I think you have a Halloween theme.
Yes, exactly. Unfortunately, this product might not go out with this Halloween, but you can make order for next week.
Yeah.
You can see.
You can get yourself prepared for next year already.
Sound with line and bubbles.
And it even has the laughing as well. It's
Yes,
very
exactly.
spooky and very lovely. And so it's a very lovely product, and it's very cool. So if I wanted to hear more information or see about my own design for this product, how would I be able to get in contact with you?
Yes, just see this is the business card. You can contact with us.
So all the information?
Yes, all the information.
You have your email, mobile number, and also a QR code for WeChat and WhatsApp to get in contact. So it's very nice to meet you, Morty, and thank you so much for showing me these things.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
For your lead.